One bad bitch, if she do it, I say so. Two big 40s and a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Put up a phone, not a blueberry fango. One false move and we straight to the joint. Sit 2 small bands just to take you out real quick.
Last night, I had a dream that we could fly. Last night, I had a dream about you and I, about you and I, about you and I. And we could fly like a couple angels away from here, like a couple angels out the atmosphere. Look at life from my fear. Made a pact that we'll make it back there. We'll be happy forever, forever. And as we flew around there amongst the stars, the whole world was so. Last night, I had a dream that last night, I had a dream about you and I. About you and we could fly like a couple angels. We could fly. We made friends with all, so they all aligned for us. And we finally felt free out there, flew out the Milky Way, no gravity to make us stay. Into the universe, we flew away. And as we flew around there amongst the stars,